FreeCAD versus NanoCAD. Which CAD software is better? Choosing the right CAD tool can transform your design process, boosting efficiency without overwhelming complexity. We'll explore both FreeCAD and NanoCAD to help you decide. FreeCAD and NanoCAD are popular CAD programs, but they serve different needs. FreeCAD is open source and highly customizable, while NanoCAD offers a more traditional, user-friendly interface with familiar AutoCAD-like tools. The core difference lies in flexibility versus ease of use. FreeCAD is a free, open-source parametric 3D CAD modeler designed for a wide range of engineering and design tasks. It works by allowing users to create models based on parameters, which can be easily modified later. This parametric approach offers great flexibility for iterative design. FreeCAD supports various file formats and integrates with other open-source tools, making it ideal for users who want deep customization and control. Its modular architecture lets users add plugins and tailor the software to specific workflows. However, FreeCAD's interface can be less intuitive for beginners, and it may require more time to master. It excels in mechanical engineering, product design, and academic projects where adaptability and precision are key. If you value open source freedom and the ability to tweak your tools, FreeCAD is a powerful choice. NanoCAD is a professional-grade CAD software that provides a familiar environment for users accustomed to AutoCAD. It offers comprehensive 2D drafting and 3D modeling capabilities with a clean, intuitive interface. NanoCAD supports industry-standard DWG files, making it easy to collaborate with other CAD users. It features fast performance and essential CAD tools without unnecessary complexity, which helps reduce the learning curve. While it is not open source, NanoCAD offers a free version with robust features and paid options for advanced functionality. Its strengths lie in straightforward drafting workflows, making it suitable for architects, engineers, and designers who need reliable, efficient tools without deep customization. Limitations include fewer parametric modeling features compared to FreeCAD and less flexibility for unique workflows. NanoCAD is ideal for professionals seeking a cost-effective, easy-to-use CAD solution with strong compatibility. Comparing FreeCAD and NanoCAD comes down to flexibility versus familiarity. FreeCAD's parametric modeling is unmatched for projects requiring frequent design changes and customization, but it demands a steeper learning curve. NanoCAD shines with its AutoCAD-like interface and smooth 2D drafting, offering faster onboarding and solid DWG compatibility. For engineers or hobbyists who want free open-source software with powerful 3D capabilities, FreeCAD fits best. On the other hand, professionals focused on 2D drafting or those transitioning from AutoCAD will appreciate NanoCAD's ease of use and industry-standard support. The trade-off is between FreeCAD's adaptability and NanoCAD's streamlined, user-friendly design environment. Choose FreeCAD if you need a free, customizable parametric 3D CAD tool and are comfortable investing time to master its advanced features. NanoCAD is the better pick for users seeking a familiar, efficient CAD experience with strong DWG support and faster learning. It's ideal for professionals needing reliable drafting tools without the complexity of deep customization. Pick the tool that fits your workflow best.